Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Azure Kubernetes Service with managed identity step by step clearly. Begin by opening the Azure portal in your web browser. Sign in with your Azure account credentials. In the Azure portal, navigate to Kubernetes Services in the left-hand menu. Click on the Add button to create a new Azure Kubernetes service. Fill in the basic information for your Kubernetes cluster, including the subscription you want to use. Select the resource group where you want the Kubernetes cluster to reside. Provide a name for your Kubernetes cluster. Choose the region where you would like to deploy the cluster. Select the Kubernetes version you want to use for your deployment. Under the Node Pools section, configure the desired node size and scaling options. Next, locate the Identity tab on the left side of the Azure Kubernetes Service Creation pane. Select the Managed Identity option. Ensure that System Assigned is enabled. This will automatically create a managed identity for the Kubernetes cluster. Proceed to the Networking tab and configure your network settings as needed. Next, review the monitoring options and enable monitoring if required. Once all settings are configured, review the summary of your cluster configuration. If everything looks correct, click on the Review plus Create button. After validation, click on the Create button to initiate the deployment. Wait for the deployment to complete. You will be notified once it is finished. After the cluster is created, navigate to the Identity section of your Kubernetes cluster in the Azure portal. Take note of the Managed Identities Object ID. You will need this object ID to assign roles and permissions. Go to the Access Control (IAM) section of your Kubernetes cluster. Click on the Add Role Assignment button. Choose the appropriate role, such as Azure Kubernetes Service RBAC Viewer or other relevant roles. In the Assign Access to drop-down, select Managed Identity. Search for and select your Kubernetes Managed Identity. Click on the Save button to apply the role assignment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.